Welcome back to Booze on the Rocks. My name is David Edwards, your host, and today we are going to use these to make the chocolate martini. But first, this. Let's get into the history / iconic references of the chocolate martini, or chocolatini, depending on what you want to call it. Now, the chocolate martini was invented in 1955 by Rock Hudson and Elizabeth Taylor. She was hot. They met while filming Giant in Marfa, Texas. Apparently, they became great friends, and one night, while drinking together, they added chocolate syrup, vodka, and chocolate liqueur. But personally, I think they were getting a little kinky while they were drinking. Let's get into making the chocolate martini, or AKA the chocolatini, depending on what you want to call it. So I need my measuring cup. Now, the recipe calls for 2 ounces of Bailey, but what I have is Wayne Gretzky's cream whiskey. I prefer it. So I need 2 ounces of chocolate liqueur, and today I'm using McGinnis chocolate liqueur. And I will need 2 ounces of vodka. And today I am using Smirnoff vodka. So one of the things about this is I need to prep my martini glass for this drink, okay? And so you want to use about 2 ounces of a chocolate syrup. So all this sits there because I've kind of done this in a strange order. So we need 2 ounces of approximately chocolate syrup. But all we're doing is we're just rimming the martini glass. And now, using a spoon, what we're going to do is we're going to just sort of draw some nice little lines. Now, I could do it with this, but I want to see if I can make this look really pretty. Put that right there. Okay, so we're going to set this off to the side so it looks nice and neat and tidy. But I need to shake this with a little bit of ice. That wasn't supposed to happen. Apparently I wasn't thinking. But I do happen to have a cloth. So we're going to shake this for about 12 seconds. Okay. Using my Hawthorne strainer, we're now going to strain this into our glass. Okay, and for our garnish, I'm going to use some semi-sweetened chocolate. You can use dark chocolate, you can use milk chocolate, whatever chocolate you really like, okay? And I'm going to shave this and see if I can get some nice little fancy chunks on top. And there we have the chocolate martini. This is a gorgeous looking drink. It smells good. It's very attractive. I really like these new glasses I picked up. Let's see how it tastes. I smell the chocolate syrup and milk. Oh, that's really good. You can taste the alcohol in it. This is my A-list drink. You can see that they were having a lot of fun when they came up with this drink. I'll bet you it was just hell for bare leather and whatever. Make this if you want. Tell me what you think about it. Leave a comment below. I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description below. If you're new to this channel, like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you can get those notifications whenever I post new content. But if you don't like this channel, hit the thumbs down button twice, and we'll see you next time.